Scalability, and I'm going to do a super short video on Google Sheet shortcuts. The first thing to do is to enable shortcuts. So that you go to Help, Keyboard Shortcuts, and then you enable it here. You can see that within here you've got all the sections, and you can see what the shortcuts are. You can search for things in the search box. But what I want to do is just show you a few ones I found really useful. So the first thing is Control 1. That opens up the items in the menu bar. You can press, after you've done that, you can press left and right to go to the different sections. And then within here, you can see there are letters underlined within each area. And if you wanted to do one of those things, you could, it tells you what letter to press. So let's say I had a word here, and then I wanted to bold it. I'll do Control 1 to get to here, and then I can just see that B is underlined there, so I press B, and that would make that bold. Cool, so that's the first bit. The second bit I wanted to show you was, let's say you have some headings, and you then have some stuff in your, within your data, and then it's filtered. So obviously I used what I did before, so Control 1, press right, and then obviously make sure mouse isn't in the way, and then F, I've applied a filter. Then within here, when I'm in the header settings, let's say there's a cat in here and a dog there, I can press Control Alt R and it'll open the header menu. From here, I can press Tab, move around, spacebar, Tab again, dog, press Enter to select it, and then Tab to move again, and then Enter, and then I filter them there. So I've not had to use a mouse to do that. So I find that really useful. And then to clear it, I normally filter again. So here you can see filter F. And the last thing, obviously, is jumping around left and right. So you can see I've got a little box here. So I've got another box here with a space in the middle. You can obviously just go right. If you're within a section of data, you can press Control and right, and it will jump you to the end of the data. And then you do it again, and it'll jump you to the next available data. So it jumped these empty cells. I press Control right. Then you can combine that with Shift. So if I was to press Shift and press left, down a few times or right a few times, it selects the data. If I want to select this whole box, I do Shift, Control, and then press down, and then right, and it'll select the whole data. And then there it's easy to copy and paste, and so on. Cool. There we go. Thanks for watching.